Hey there, welcome to Fitness Focus, where we strive to bring you the latest and greatest in health and fitness. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most effective exercises for building core strength and endurance, planking. If you're new to planking, or looking to take your plank game to the next level, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 10 tips on the benefits of planking for 30 days straight. Let's dive in. 1. Build core strength. Planking is an effective way to build core strength. By holding your body in a straight line, you engage your abs, lower back, hips, and glutes. Over time, this will result in a stronger core and improved posture. 2. Better balance. A strong core leads to better balance. Planking engages the muscles that help you maintain balance, and the longer you hold the plank, the more challenging it becomes. 3. Improved flexibility. While planking primarily targets your core, it also engages your shoulders, back, and legs. Holding a plank for 30 days can improve your flexibility by increasing your range of motion and reducing stiffness. 4. Reduced risk of injury. A strong core can reduce your risk of injury. By strengthening your core muscles, you can stabilize your spine and reduce the strain on your lower back during physical activity. 5. Increased endurance. Planking for 30 days straight can increase your endurance. As you hold the plank longer and longer, you'll build stamina and be able to push yourself further during other exercises. 6. Better posture. Planking can improve your posture by strengthening your core muscles, which are essential for maintaining good posture. By improving your posture, you can reduce the strain on your neck and back muscles. 7. More calories burned. Planking is a great way to burn calories. By engaging multiple muscle groups at once, planking can help you burn more calories than isolated exercises like crunches or sit-ups. 8. Improved mental health. Planking can have a positive impact on your mental health. As you push yourself to hold the plank for longer periods of time, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and improved self-esteem. 9. Better sleep. Exercise, including planking, can improve your sleep quality. By reducing stress and anxiety and improving your physical health, you'll be more likely to fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. 10. A sense of accomplishment. Finally, planking for 30 days straight can give you a sense of accomplishment. Setting a goal and sticking to it can boost your confidence and motivate you to tackle other challenges in your life. And there you have it, 10 tips on the benefits of planking for 30 days straight. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips, and we'll see you in the next video.